Hello and welcome to yet another exciting episode of Buhle Bethu. My name is Nelly Somakanya. Namhla mbukela Buhle Bethu sisezulwini. When you drive past Buga, we are on the Mzimba Mountains. We're at a beautiful place that have just recently opened. It is called Phaseliche Rock Resort. The place is so beautiful. We want to find out what do they have to offer, most particularly because it's a new place. I love new places. Let's find out what they have for us. Let's go.
Igama lami ngingi-Andile Ngwakahadebe Sibongo. Iposition yami la Phaseliche ngingu-Managing Director wase Phaseliche.
Alright, so bengicela ungintroduce le Phaseliche. I understand that it is a new place, so I just need you to introduce the place. Kusingabe vele Phaseliche Rock Resort, what kind of a place do you have here and what does it have to offer?
Yes, Phaseliche musha. Mbanefulo musha wala eMzimba eNtabeni. La uthi na ukhona khona ube neview yakho lenhlelo oyibona endasi lapha ezulwini. Phaseliche siyi-restaurant at the moment. Sine restaurant, sibe ne coffee shop, sibe ne pub, sibe ne bar. Lokusho ukuthi siyapheka kudla, siyapheka kudla like from kuma starter kuya kuma main course kuya kuma dessert, breakfast to dinner. Sibe nema-drinks, ema-soft drinks ethu lapho khona unatha ube comfortable, then ubuye uye kuma-alcoholic beverages sinawo nakhona ePhaseliche bese sesiba ne-pub where bantu bahlala babe comfortable batibukelele bosokha babo noma whatsoever sports la suke akhona ngaleso sikhathi. Losho ukuthi nje Phaseliche uyi-restaurant lephinze i-accommodate bonke bantu labafuna kutoti iphumulela nalabafuna labatoti iphumulela ngekudla nalabatoti iphumulela nje ngokuthi batoti sebentele imisebenzi yabo labanye bamukelekile ukuthi bayahlala like with their laptops basebente Phaseliche basa enjoy al coffee.
So when it comes to the restaurant, ingabe vele kudla kwenu noma ngathi nema services that you offer, where kuhambe kanjani? Let's say I'm just here coming with my kids for the entire Saturday. Kuhamba kanjani all the way from the morning ngilana ningiseva kanjani?
Okay, shokuthi ekseni siyavula nga-8 ekseni Phaseliche uyavula every day akavali kude ilanga lavala ngalo. Monday to Monday uyivulile Phaseliche uvula nga-8 bamvula abafuna ibreakfast bayayithola kusukela nga-8 ekseni. I-breakfast yethu irana until 11 solo siyiserve i-breakfast then nga-11 seyavalwa sekuba i-lunch.
Igama lami ngiNgcebile Mzebele ngisePhaseliche Rock Resort Restaurant eTulu ezulwini nawubheka kalamkapi. Okay, la khaya kuthi sistema drinks lesiwendako tinhlobo tema-drinks lesinawo la khaya labanza kona lashisako la alcoholic na lama soft drinks. Okay, la ngitafuleni la ngingabekile ngema-drinks lesiwakha khona la khaya. Ngisho ukuthi lena i-drink yethu i-soft drink sithi passion fruit and lemonade. Nayo yakho khona la khaya. Then sibe senesima flavors lang two ema-cocktails. Yes, siwakha khona la khaya nawo. It's Phaseliche lesinathi sicapha ngayo nje lesitakhela ngayo la khaya. This is one siyibita ngokuthi Phaseliche cocktail. Yes, it's different Phaseliche cocktails. As you see, them are colors out, my flavors are all different. Then bese sesiba nema milkshakes. Lele siyakhile lapha noba ngabe sebukeka ngazi ukuthi le color like different, but it's a vanilla milkshake. Yes, it's still vanilla with a little bit coloring bubble gum. Then bese sesiba le coffee lethu. Sine different types of coffees lesinawo la khaya, but the only one le ngiyakhile mina I just make a cappuccino for today. But we only if you have a cappuccino, sne mocha coffee, sne latte coffee, Americano coffee. Wonke sikhola khona la khaya ePhaselijhe.
Mina ngithembisile Mncina ePhaselijhe ngibuke kudla nekosa cishe nje basically lokuphathelene lokuthi umuntu akhona ukufaka kudla esiswini kusho ukuthi esikhathini esiningi ukhanza ukuthi icustomer afuna ukuqala ngama starters so usually uyayakhetha ukuthi wende masamosa ama spring rolls nabafuna sibafakele nama fries ukhamba ne green salad ezi adla starter siyamendela iplate la beef pilau uyananga bayi-odile simendela yona basically i-rice ine-beef siyipheka bese siyiba mnanzi then ngalanga ama-salads i-quail egg salad lena i-chicken salad sengama-dumplings lawa bese-ke kuma-main meals kuba nemicwembe kunemicwembe for 2 kunemicwembe for 5 uyahamba neliphalishi uyahamba nama-fries uyahamba ne-mashed potato kushiyana ukuthi i-customer lethu ufuna ini sinako-ke lokunye njengefish smoker ibe mnanzi sinemaplatter lamakhulu langabe abantu babaningi sibendele kunama-fruit platters kunama-meat platters kuye ngokuthi i-customer lethu lifuna ukuthi silendele njani labanye ukhanza ukuthi abafuni inyama dihlangane siyatehlukanisa basically siyalalela ukuthi i-customer lethu request ini sizame ngendlela ukuthi konke la kucelile ukuthi simendele wona sikwendele ngale ndlela lafuna ngayo.
Shisa nyama wethu-ke sengiPhaselijhe ngingacishe ngithi nguye lo hamba kakhulu nguye nje bantu labamthanza kakhulu wonke umuntu ofika nje vele ungena kakhulu ukushisa nyama siyakujabulela nathi kakhulu ibutchery sinayo sine pork sine beef sine chicken sine livosi sine ma pork sausages lekungibona sekuthengisa ebutchery uyaye icustomer liyatichuzela ukuthi ngifuna na inyama naye sine skali siyakukalela noma ufuna from as little as 20 rand uyakhona ukuthenga ichicken ya 20 rand siyakugrillela sikosele kude neliphalishi lakho nalo lodithengela lona naleyo salad yakho ichoice yakho loyifunako ibutchery yethu-ke ayisiyo yethu sodwa since sisemangweni sibukele nalendzawo nje yonke lana kune bantu benzawo unembuti pork unenkomo ufuna kutoyisikisa ePhaselijhe sinemshina siyakusikela ngema-charges akhona sine-charge yekusika i-pork sine-charge yekusika inkomo neyembuti so ema-services siyawa-offarisha nje kunoma ngangibani lofuna silayisele inyama yakhe ePhaselijhe.
Libito lami ngisithabile wamakhubu Phaselijhe ngingumbhaki wala Phaselijhe konke nje lokusebenzisa flour kusetandleni tabo elakhaya-ke sisebenza ngekudla kudla-ke umuntu uqala ekuseni adle emini adle ntambama so nakadla ekuseni uyayadzinga litiya lidzinga sinkwa siyayenda i-breakfast-ke lakhaya sinisenda i-breakfast itodzinga ama-rolls idzinga isinkwa so lakhaya-ke siyadendela konke lokhu ku-minimize ama-cost njengoba ubona nje la nesinkwa nema-rolls burger rolls or sausage rolls konke kukhona nesinkwa less healthy for ama-customer if ufuna leside bo-butter lesi-healthy siyakwendela lakhaya singagcini lapho-ke embhakweni kukhona lolo kumnanzi lokusweet kwe-dessert sinawo ama-biscuits efu lesiwapha ama-customer nabatonatha tiya sinawo ama-muffins sinawo ama-scones phinde-ke nelikhekhe nangabe sowudlile customer lidzinga i-dessert we do have chocolate brownies sinalo nelikhekhe tinhlobohlobo tema-cake chocolate cake vanilla cake sinalo asigcini-ke lapho akhona nemapizza lakhona lakhaya siyawenda lena nje this is something meaty but if ufuna i-flavor lenye loyifunako siyakwendela since-ke iPhaselijhe isemangweni umango nawo siyawuprovida unemshado nabe ufuna kushada khululeka ungeta Phaselijhe it's not about ukuthi ufuna ube i-customer udle kudla but siyawenda nalamanye ama-services longadzinga ukuthi sale siphuma sesiya ngaphandle sikwendele wona.
Mbukelo wabuhle bethu, we are still enjoying ourselves at Phaselijhe Rock Resort. Let's take a short break because when you come back, we still have more for you. As you can see, I'm standing right at the entrance of a coffee shop. Let me grab some coffee while we take this short break. Stay tuned.
kulama-event naloko ukuthi bayavumeleka ukuthi bede bahlale sinale phaphu le phaphu bayisebenzisa kakhulu ukuthi uyafika umuntu noma ufuna ukusebenzela umsebenzi wakhe uyafika asebenzele khona wemukelekile bese sekuba ngala kule event party kuba siyaye ema-birthdays sihoste bo baby shower sihoste nabo anniversary sihoste nalama friendship la bantfu lo khanzathi reunion so baye babhukhe bantfu basho ukuthi sicela ukuthi siyaye sicele nje ma-customer ukuthi asiphe i-date asiphe isikhathi asiphe inombolo yebantfu labatabe bakhona labafuna ukuthi sibakhetharishe ngalelo langa so bamukelekile bonke nje siyabonga nokuthi since sivulile siyawathola kakhulu ema-bookings ema-birthdays ema-baby shower losho ukuthi lawo ma-services lawo siyawa-offarisha kakhulu nakuyi-birthday nje especially siyaye sikwendele i-photo booth yakho ibe yinhle sikwendele nelikhekhe since siyabhaka nasephanselitshe siyabhaka bomakhekhe ngaba likhekhe lemfana le-birthday ngaba lomdzala kungaba likhekhe lemshado siyakhona kulibhaka sengiphanselitshe.
There's also the part that I saw about Lapana Ngeneni about the takeaway service. So I'm interested with the shows acting is in
Of course, yes.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
that's nice.
So lapho nangabe njengoba siubona siseceleni nemigwaqo kuneli customer lelitawufuna ukuthi liyenyuka liyenga lifuna maybe ama chicken strips lifuna maybe ama potato chips liyavele nje lithatha fast takeaway uhlala ready ngokuthi nje vele noma ufuna ama chips siyamphakela takeaway yakhe uyahamba lo munye wa-order ngelicingo uya-order simbekele takeaway
in 10 minutes
in 10 minutes so customer ufuna lifike lithathe lithole ku-ready liqhubeke lihamba.
All right. Yes. Okay, so now looking at looking at future prospects, what is coming up Phaselitshe? Because Nangbona, there's just a lot that is going on and it's so exciting and so beautiful, by the way.
Thank you.
I'm really interested in the future prospect. What is coming up that we can expect maybe in the next 3-6 months, in the next year, not December. By December, that's Puma out in places in Phaselitshe that we can expect.
Yes, Phaselitshe uyakhula usanje ngoba ngishilo ukuthi sisaqala siyakhula sengiphaselitshe since nje sicale ngalo kule sengikubalile sibheke kukhula sengiphaselitshe sifuna ngingeta i-swimming pool singete bo conference room lapho singete nenzawo ukuthi sesingahosta nemishado lemikhulu singete tindlu tekulala whereby bantfu bangabhukha i-accommodation balale i-weekend yonke bangcebeleke baphumule ba-enjoy which means in the next 3-4 months Phaselitshe itabe inayo swimming pool yayo inayo le conference room inayo lenzawo yekhostela imishado then by the end of the year like you said December sibuke ukuthi Phaselitshe utabe sekabalalisa abantu aba-accommodate abakhona ukuspenda i-weekend yabo bavuke bede badle Phaselitshe babuyele balale kuma-rooms abo.
Wow, that's exciting. All right, so ingabe bathini bantu, what are the reviews? Just a few lenwatholile since invulile.
Ema-reviews mahle kakhulu ayasijabulisa singiphaselitshe besingakawabheki since ngitithethe ngativa ukuthi ngimncane ngeba ngisenzaweni le under i-community angikho emadolobheni but i-support nema-reviews kwebantu kuyinto lenhle kakhulu iyangijabulisa so kuyangimotivate ukuthi ngichubeke kulama dreams lenginawo ngingiphaselitshe ukuthi ngingakungeta ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi bantu bayasupporta futhi bayakujabulela akuyi ngekuthi sisemakhaya ngoba nasimcala besinako ukuthi hey maybe bantu bangeke bakujabulele ngoba yetule enzabene ekhathe ematsheni but we are so happy the way ema-reviews siwabona ngakhona ne-support lesiyithola kubantu badvudane nebantu bakhashana.
All right, that's nice. Ingabe ke bantu abafuna kwenda lawo ma-bookings ngabe bafuna kuta groups bafuna kudla ntiphi inombolo elicingo labatsebenzisako nekusemaphejeni ka-social media labafuna unilandzelela more banganithola kanjani?
Ema-bookings bangasebenzisa inombolo lethi 7685 7013 inombolo lehlala ikhona lebanjwa noma nini ePhaselitshe bangaphinze basebenzise futhi lenye inombolo lethi 78889729 naleyo ikhona yasePhaselitshe uyashaya noma usende WhatsApp uyakhona ku-order futhi nalapho noma ubhukele i-event yakho kuleti inombolo leto.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. And then finally, I want you to talk to the camera. Ukhulume nebabukele ekhaya, we are invited to this beautiful and exciting place that we have found here.
Babukeli, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthola leli thuba. Ngitibongele ngingiphasele itshe. Ngingaba nje ukubonga kakhulu kwekucala isupport lesiyitholako singiphasele itshe. Sicela ukuthi nichubeke nesupporte. Nathi sibheke kukhula kini, nathi sibheke kuninika lenikudingako. Nangabe kukhona tikhalo sitawukhula kanye kanye. Sinsisi ku-community nebantu bethu lesisebenza nabo singiphasele itshe bantu basenzaweni. Lekungakhanza ukuthi kumbe asisibo labacecesheke ngelizinga libhekekile. Bathi singiphasele itshe sitawufaka emandla ukuthi sente yonke iservice yethu ibe perfect. Bese siyathembisa nekuthi sitangetela nalokunye njengoba sithembisile ethi customers siyawabona ku-social media ayafuna kuva ukuthi ninayo yini swimming pool. Ngithembisile ukuthi 3-4 months swimming pool ema-customer ethu atayitfola. Ngiyabonga kakhulu isupport. Ngicela sichubeke simsupport ephasele itshe. Thank you.
Today we are here just right next to the Hawane Dam at a place called The Farm. You know, just stepping into this place, I'm already thinking of changing the name to the Exquisite Farm instead of The Farm, because this place is just so lovely. I can't wait to see what they have to show us and what is it that you can enjoy as you come to this place. Let's see what they have for us at The Farm.
Ligama lami ngumcebisi ngwakanzimanze. Ngibambe i-managing position la ekhaya. The Farm indzawo lenhle lefikako lenhle kakhulu bo accommodation nakuma outside games. Now use The Farm uba nelithuba lelihle lekubona lidamu lethu laseHawane, lidamu lelikhulu. Now la ngekhathi nje The Farm i-view yakho lenhle loba nayo kubuka lidamu lelikhulu laseHawane. The Farm sine 3-bedroom unit yethu le accommodator a maximum of 6 people. But nangabe nawe uwedwana ungayibhukha. But naso ibhukhile asim-allow lomunye eceleni ukuthi sangayibhukha ngoba wena soyithethe. So bese uba ne-access ke nje tindzaweni letinhle letilangikhathi at The Farm. Sinayo i-braai area yethu, sinalo londo lethu lelihle la ungakhona ukuthi uti-relaxele kahle khona. Sinako kudla at The Farm, kepha-ke siyakukhuthaza ukuthi uku-ode ngoba sispecialize ekudleni kwesintu kakhulu. Yes, sinayo kuba nje i-mini buffet yekudla kwesintu. Sinayo imbuti, kwangekhathi kwembuti, inkukhu yasemakhaya, kwangekhathi kwenkomo, nje kubala lokunye imibhidvo, kubala lokuyi-few. Sisayi-alawa kwanyalo i-self catering. Yes, ukuthi ungatiphekela wena. Sinenzawo yethu lenhle khona la ngekhathi The Farm, la ungakhona ukuthi utiphichele lithende lakho khona kuleyo event yakho lenayo, noma i-birthday party noma ngumshado walabo bantu labancane. Singakunika indzawo lekahle ukuthi utiphichele lithende lakho wende leyo event yakho. Sinayo ne-picnic area yethu. Now for a picnic siyakukhuthaza ke ukuthi ungabese sowudlala lama games lesinawo la ngekhathi, because i-entrance yethu i-free nangabe utowenza i-picnic. Kepha ke sibese sikhuthaza ukuthi udlale kulama activities lesinawo. Sinawo ema go-karts, sinawo ema quiet bikes, sine horse riding, kunemkhumbi lesinawo lo udlala khona la ngekhathi edamini lethu lelincane lesinalo. Kepha-ke nangabe sofuna a long cruise yasekhathi emandini, siyakuthatha thina base The Farm sinyuke nawe siye kumaguga edamini lethu lelihle lelikhulu la kaNgwane. ufike ube ne cruise khona ekhathi kumagugu bese siba nayo ne hiking na uhamba ke ema hiking routes ethu afika ekugcineni la kuphelela idamu lethu lelikhulu laseHawane khona kuba nenzawo lenhle lapho le waterfall leba khanga kubantu kakhulu inhle kakhulu bese sekuba inhle le waterfall nayo ibuka bese phasi kwayo kucela umfula lomkhulu wakithi kaNgwane lokuthiwa imbuluzi so kulawo ma views ethu lawo lesinawo kuthi abantu banga nabetile for hiking bangabe sebayakubona balibona cishe lonke lidamu laseHawane Dam. Uyasishayela nje kithi uthi cela kuta kutodlala la akudzingeka ukuthi uzulale uze ube ne-access to kula activities lesinawo so noma ngabeke ulele la khaya are excluded from the accommodation fee lama activities lesinawo bese so pay ubhadala a certain amount eceleni kube ngetivumelwano tethu ngekuthi ufuna kudlala maphi ema activities lesinawo bayajabula kakhulu abantu kuvakashela The Farm ema reviews lesiwatholako la people are still saying siyabuya at The Farm siyabuya kumnanzi kakhulu bathola i-experience yekugibela emahashi lesinawo la khaya ma-giants emahashi sinema quiet bikes ema routes ethu they go far as Ngwenya class so now uhamba nge-quad bike uyofika eNgwenya class from Hawane so that's a great experience. Wow. Yes so people bayajabulela kuta kakhulu at The Farm. Ngephandle kwaleli tsango lethu lesikilo nyalo kune construction lake ewako lapho kutaba nema adventure tents units la utawukhona ukuthi nangabe nibabili ni couple noma ke uwebfana ufuna kutongcebeleka at The Farm utawukhona ukuthi ukhona kulala khona nayo itaba nako ukucishe konke utaba nembhedze wakho ube ne-fridge yakho cishe nje tintfo lokungaba nato ukuthi ubeke tintfo takho leti lotatidzinga bese ngala ngenhla kwelitsango lethu nakhona sinawo ema one room units ethu lasa still under construction in future bantu batabe bawajabulela nawo cause mahle kakhulu they call them the Wendy's house ma Wendy house cause akhiwe ngeliplango lokuhlukile nje kuletinye tindzawo tindlu tethu tase The Farm most of them takhiwe ngeliplango lelisecophelelweni lelisetulu na uyibuka ku distance ungafika ukuthi yindlu nje leyakhiwe ngesitini but naso sonzele ubuka buhle lobukhulu ibendlu leyakhiwe ngeliplango siyatholakala ku Instagram uyasesha nje nakubo Facebook sesha nje The Farm. Yes bese ke nenombolo elicingo sinayo ethi 7641 6750. Okay. Uyayikhona naka WhatsApp uyasWhatsAppela kuthi I'm coming for this game or noma I'm booking konke uyakuthola kuleyo nombolo. Siyakukhuthata ke ukuthi now uta at The Farm siyakucela ukuthi usishayele to confirm your booking. Okay. But now booker siyakuniketa I confirmation letter ukuthi so right but nangabe utake for my activities siyakukhuthata ukuthi usishayele si kuthi ubooka kutodlala utanini utodlala maphi ama activities sitokhona ukuthi si ungaze ukhanzela idelezi lelitse ukuthi bofuna kutodlala tidududu manje sekuphumile tidududu tele so sitokunika naleti khathi ukuthi sisebenzisane nawe ukuthi nangabe unothi udanga 12 ufa mhlambe bekunalelinye lecustomer nalo seliphume ngeti si arrange kahle leti cards ungadofika uhlale umelele activities kanzi sifuna ukuthi uthi nawufika nje ube ku service le kahle at The Farm. Ngingathi kubantu labathanza adventure labathanza kuphuma out noma ke ngabe awuthanzi kuphuma out aseke udinikete nje nalithuba ungathi ncishe happiness ude at The Farm uto experience we are a home of adventure so kunebuhle belidamu laseHawan lesithi Cabhako ngalo. Sinalo nathi lidamu lethu lelincane la ngikhathi na longakhona ukuthi udlala umkhumbi ikhathi kilo. Go to the farm. Invite abalaleli emakhaya babukele emakhaya. Come at the farm, you'll just have a great experience ever.
Mbukelo Buhle Bethu, that has been an exciting experience at the farm. You know, I've just been enjoying myself right here on this quad bike, moving all around the farm. It's been an exciting time. Continue following all our social media platforms. That is our YouTube and also our Facebook. There's also my personal handle there, Neliso WM Makhanya with the blue tick. Until next week, same time, same place as we bring you another exciting place. Goodbye.